Oh no, you roasted me real good. Well, now it's my turn to roast something. And I'm gonna roast these vegetables. And that's because when my kid was growing up, I wasn't the best at making sure she knew how to make a easy, healthy, cheap meal. And I'm just starting to learn now, and I realize it's never too late to learn how to do it. Let's get rid of this comment. All right, let's get started. How to make an easy, cheap, healthy meal. First of all, we want to collect our vegetables, and we want to make it colorful. If it's not colorful, it's not food. Carrots, asparagus, yellow pepper, onion, garlic, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and squash. So I want to take some oil. Cold pressed oil is great, but whatever you got, I like olive oil. And just coat that thing up. Okay, just coat that thing up. I don't know what that was. Now I love a roast because you can keep your veggies actually pretty thick, but try to keep them all about the same size. I have noticed I make my carrots half the size as the other ones, and then it will balance out. And this doesn't take long. Like, we're gonna just put this in the toaster oven, the air fryer, for like 40 minutes. I like to put in a couple whole cloves of garlic. If you want to skin them an easy way, just take your knife in your hand, not where the sharp part is, and just smush it. You can do that with a fork too. And then just peels right out real easy. Y'all, look how colorful this is. This is easy, this is cheap, this is healthy. I'm so excited to make a veggie roast and to teach you this, and I hope my kid watches this. So, a lot of white people are gonna wanna stop now, but I wanna recommend you add a little spice. This is like a basic spice thing, 24 herbs, because I'm not very good at spicing. Oh my gosh, I forgot onion. I like to do big chunks of onion. Big chunks. They break up anyhow. All right, let's go. 250, 40 minutes. See you soon. Wow. All right, y'all, that's it. This is a really fun, easy veggie roast to make. It took less than an hour, and it's super affordable. And you can add it, change it around, do whatever you want. Man, I'm stoked. This is so healthy. I love it. Bye.